What's up guys, what's going on Boske's FX family? I hope you guys are all doing good and welcome back to Boske's FX YouTube channel. We really appreciate it guys to have you back once again here. And also guys, I'd like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have not yet done so, please kindly hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification icon so that you will not miss out our next concept when we upload our next video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy which can transform your day trading strategy. Also, this will give you a new view when you open any pair on the market. So you just have to follow the step and also stay tuned until the video ends. So guys, if you are also new here, we talk about smart money concept, ICT concept, and order block strategies. If you are looking forward to learn about those concepts, you are most welcome to join the team. So guys, the first thing which you like to understand when you open your chart is to understand your monthly time frame. Will guide you to understand what you'll be looking for in smaller time frames. So what you have to understand guys, you have to understand the pattern of the market structure, right? You have to understand the pattern of the market structure. You have to understand that when price is going up, they create a scenario of higher highs and higher lows. They create a scenario of higher highs and higher lows, something like this, right? This is what they will create. They will create a scenario of higher highs and higher lows, meaning these zones will be your demand zone area. These zones will be your demand zone area. One of these zones will respect, or it will hold the orders, and then the price will decide to go up, something like this, right? So what you have to understand is that when now price is coming back, right, they'll either break this zone and then give you a retracement and then continue giving you a downtrend move, right? And then let's say the price will give you something like this, right? And then comes and take out this zone, something like this. Then they'll continue going down, right? But this was a change of character. Why? Because this was a break of structure, right here. This will be a break of structure, and then this will be a change of character. But what you have to understand is that this will be a sweep of liquidity, right? Meaning the price will come to the first point of interest, right? They'll come to the first point of interest. So you can't just say everything is a change of character. You have to understand that the price can do anything like this as well. So what you have to understand is something like this. Whenever price, right, give you same move like this, this means that the price will come to this zone as well to pick the orders, and then they will continue giving you a continuation pattern, right? Always giving you a continuation pattern. To validate that this zone have hold, you have to see price taking out this zone, giving you a pullback whereby you do not look for entry. And then whenever now you see another break of structure, that's when you start looking for a continuation. Why? Because this will now become a confirmed entry, because the price have given you a break of structure, and this will be a change of character. And then after a change of character, this will be a break of structure right there, meaning the price will also take out the next lower high. So after the next lower high being taken out, this will confirm that you are now on an uptrend, and then the price will come and mitigate the demand zone area. Then they will continue giving you those continuation patterns. So this is what you have to understand, right? You have to understand the market structure, something like this, meaning whenever price give you a choke, right, you can't just take your trades immediately. You have to wait for a continuation pattern. So sometimes they will also not come to this extreme point, right? They will not come to this demand zone. They can also come to this zone, something like this. Why? Because this zone will be a failed what? A failed supply. So they will just come and take the orders at this zone as a demand takeover, right? And then they'll continue giving you a what? A continuation pattern. So whenever price also comes and take out this zone, just have to understand they'll come to this zone, and then once they come, you want to see a change of what? Change of character and another break, so that you can confirm that the price is now on an uptrend again. So something like this, you have to understand something like this, meaning this let me just do something like this. This will be what? Your demand zone, and this will be a change of character. You now start looking for your interest at this zone or at the top here, right? Because they will not always come to this extreme point, so they'll do something like this. So sometimes when they continue going up, right, when they come back, this will be something like an inducement, right? Something like an inducement, sort of. And then the price will continue giving you change of character, and then break of structure. Start looking for your entries, right? If they are going up. So this is another pattern which you have to understand in the market. This is another pattern which you have to understand in the market. So now if we go to chart of Nasdaq, right? If we go to chart of Nasdaq, let me just delete everything. If we go to chart of Nasdaq, you can see that, guys, we had this opposite candlestick, meaning those are the demand zones, right? So these two fails to hold. These two demand zones fails to hold. Now the price is at this demand zone area. So what you have to understand, you have to highlight the what? The higher low, right? And you can also call it a swing what? A swing low, something like that, because you have a break of structure at the top, meaning there is a swing high at the top. So as you can see, this is your what? This is your swing low right here. What you have to understand is that, as you can see, this was a change of character because break of structure was made at the top, and then the price continued taking out those zones. As you can see, they were taking out those zones. As you can see, now the price is going down. So now, as you can see, now the price is at this demand zone. You want to see if this demand zone will hold, or the price will take it and then continue giving you a continuation pattern, meaning this will now become your target what? Your target demand zone, meaning the price may also continue coming back to this zone. So now if price hold on this one, you want to see a change of character, then a continuation pattern, then a pullback, and then the price will continue going up. But you can't wait for that, because you will be waiting for this. Maybe it will happen after 2 years, or it will happen after few months. So you have to trade, right? You have to trade. So what you have to understand is that you have to follow where the price is going and where the price is coming from. So as you can see, we have a breakout structure here, meaning this is a what? This is a supply zone area. This is a supply zone area. So this is a higher time frame supply zone area. So we will now go back to weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, you want to understand what the price is doing. You want to understand what the price is doing. As you can see, we only had a bearish momentum here, and also we did have a break of structure, right, as a continuation pattern. And now the price have created this opposite candlestick, and they did something like they were respecting this demand zone area, but also this demand zone area failed to hold, right, at this momentum, and then the price came back again. So now what we like to understand now is to go to our daily time frame. Because now we understand this is a breakout structure where the what change of character. Let me just label this. So now, as you can see, this will now become clean for you to understand. As you can see here at the top, we had a breakout structure and this was a change of character. And then the price continued going down, meaning here is where you now wait for the price to come and mitigate, and then the price will go way down. So now, as you can see, the price is at this demand zone area. What you now want to see is what a change of character, something like this, and then you like to see a continuation pattern and then a pullback. After a pullback, you want to see price going up, something like this, until they reach this zone area and give you a change of character, and then you like to confirm for a continuation pattern and the price will continue going down, right? Something like this. So now this will help you to understand what you'll be looking for in the market, right? This will now help you to understand what you'll be looking for in the market. So as you can see, the price is at the demand zone, and this is our demand zone, and the price have given us a rejection, but they also came back and take out the low at that zone area. So what you like to understand now, you now focus on this swing point right here. Now focus on this swing point right there. So that's where your swing high is at. You have to see price taking out that zone area and then confirm for a continuation pattern until the price reach this supply zone area. So if you go to daily time frame now, you see that we also had a change of character right there. We had a what? Breakout structure right here, and then right here was a breakout structure. Sorry about that. Below this zone A, let me just highlight it for you so that you understand. This was a breakout structure right there, and then change of character was made at the top, right? Change of character at the top, yeah, something like this, you see. And then the price came back and took out this zone area. This is what I have said. If you do not see, right, a continuation pattern, like to see price coming back to this zone and goes up, and then that's when you can confirm your uptrend. But if you see price going down, this means that the price just swept out the liquidity. And then if you look at your left side, you now understand you also had a supply zone area. So this was just a liquidity grab to that zone area, and you can see this way our supply. Let me just delete this change of character and this breakout strike. You see now the price just came back to this zone. So you have to highlight the high of the candlestick, right? Something like this, and the low and the high, and then you can see the price just came back there, mitigate this zone area, and then shifted the market going down. So now the price have not yet also take out the demand zone area, meaning the price is still at the demand zone. So it's possible the price will continue going up, and then if price continue going up, they have to check out the zone first, then give you a pullback, and then they will have to check out another zone like this and another pullback for you to confirm your continuation pattern. So you have to see the first move, right, and then the second move. After the second move, it's being created like the next or the new higher than the previous high. It's being created. You want to see price coming back to this zone, or they'll come to this zone below it, something like this, because it will be a supply zone area at this zone, and then demand take over, something like this. But if there's no such, you do not look for entry. So for now, the price is just giving you a rejection is there at what demand zone area. You can also look for trades, right? But you know that there's a breakout structure right there, right? There's a breakout structure, something like this. There's a break of structure. Delete this break of structure, something like this. So if price comes to this zone and fails to take it out, it's possible the price will continue giving you the continuation pattern, right? It's possible the price will give you the continuation pattern, change of character, and the price will give you a breakout structure, and then this will be your next what? Your next demand zone target. So now you know where the price is coming from. You go to H4 time frame, and in H4 time frame, if you want to understand that the price is going up, you have to understand that they will take out the first lower high. As you can see now, the price just took out this zone area, something like this, where this last opposite candlestick being taken out. But you can also wear this lower high, meaning this is another second what lower high being taken out. A uptrend zone is being confirmed, and this is where the opposite candlestick is at. You can also see we had a bullish momentum going up. So you now focus on this week, because if you go to smaller time frame, right, you understand that there was a what opposite candlestick. So this one will be your H4 demand zone area, meaning you have your breakout structure, and this will be a change of character. So something like that. Let me just highlight this H4, something like this. So if you now go, me, I don't usually use H1. Now I'll go to 15 minutes, because H1 will give me a lot of stress, or they will confuse me a lot. So I use H4 in 15 minutes time frame for my entries now, something like this. As you can see now, the price have given you a what? A breakout structure. This was a change of character at this momentum right here. As I said, right, so have to give you a breakout structure in the change of character. So this is in 15 minutes time frame. I love to do something like this while I'm in 15 minutes. So I will know that the price is coming from a demand zone now. You see, I know that the price is coming from a daily demand zone area, and we have a continuation pattern. Price did something like a respect here, then they continued going down, meaning this was a breakout structure, and now this will now become a change of character, because the price have taken out that zone area. So this as well, the previous lower high was being taken out as well, meaning this is where the demand is at. So whatever you'll be looking for now, you'll be looking for longs, right? And then you have to understand your H4 time frame. There will be those like opposite candlestick inside. As you can see, we also have this one. This one resemble as a breaker blocker in H4 time frame, because this was the last opposite candlestick. You also have to see the reaction once the price reaches this zone area. It's possible that the price can also respect this what supply zone area, or what we can call a breaker blocker, something like that. So you just have to understand something like this, and then you do it like this. And once you have done this, you now understand where the price is coming from and where the price is going ahead next. So guys, I hope you understand this video, guys, and I hope it will help you. And I'm going to bring a lot of concept on Nasdaq, guys. You have a great day. Thank you.